Hey guys, I'm Cody with Bacon. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a garbage disposal. So the first step is going to be to gather all the equipment that you may need. Simple tools like a 6-in-1 tubular cutter. That's basically all you'll need for this install. The second step is going to be the removal of the old equipment. So we'll take the disposal out and the tubular out, and then the third step is going to be the installation of the new disposal and the new tubular. There it goes. Here, twist it. So now that the install is complete and we've made sure there's no leaks, everything is good. Basically everything's cleaned up, customer satisfied. This job is backed by a 3-year Bacon Wrapped warranty.